Today's world is all about information, which creates awareness and helps conservation. Conservation is all about intelligent resource management. And yet, even now, there are areas like utility management with technology that hasn't changed for decades. Every home has utility meters for electricity, water, gas, BTU. But you have to wait for the reading to be taken at the end of each month to know your consumption. And what if there is a discrepancy in billing, a faulty meter, or there is leakage? Alternatively, a utility provider struggles with demand response, resource allocation, improving customer service, amongst other issues. Do you know that even in some of the most developed countries, 40% of the utility generated and supplied by providers is left unbilled? This is either due to human-machine error or fraud. What if we tell you that there is a simple solution to all of these concerns? Flow, a multi-utility metering and billing solution which brings the Internet of Things to utility management. How? Let's take the example of Joshua. Joshua lives with his family of 4. This month, he has been billed twice more for water because of leakage, and he has ended up paying less on his electricity bill because of a faulty meter, causing revenue loss to the supplier. Joshua's utility provider has been facing similar issues with many of his customers and decided to install Flow. A technician installs and configures our ergonomically designed, weatherproof, energy-efficient AMR metering units. The meter starts to send reading data to the already installed collectors over LoRa network. It is then sent to the servers over the Internet. This data is stored in cloud storage, ensuring data security. The data is used for various reports and analysis. The utility providers can now generate invoices to consumers, which Joshua can access and pay through a web interface or mobile app. Joshua and the provider also get real-time hourly daily readings. The system can now track all ill-functioning meters or complaints and assign them to technicians. Flow generates many useful reports for the utility company, such as possible unauthorized consumers, leakages, or defective meters. Flow also generates reports, historical data, billing and payment reports, and more. The utility provider is now able to anticipate demand and optimize their resource allocation, making it easier for them to achieve their targets, KPIs, key performance indicators, while ensuring better customer satisfaction. The supplier can also promote conservation and create awareness using targeted ads based on consumption history. Flow has a strong SaaS platform capable to support multi-utility billing and management. Flow provides a two-way communication system with state-of-the-art technology and user-friendly interface to establish the seamless consumer-provider relationship while ensuring accuracy and transparency, as well as minimizing resource wastage. Flow, a multi-utility metering and billing solution